Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, what are the dimensions of this matrix? All right, so we have a row here, and then a few different columns. So let's go ahead and define what a matrix is. So a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. So these numbers usually tell us some important piece of information. They can be denoted by rows by columns, and rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. So let's take a look at some examples of three different matrices and their dimensions. So the first one here, we have one row here. So remember, rows are horizontal. So one row, and here's row 2. So there's 2 rows, and then we have 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3. So this is a 2 by 3, meaning rows by columns. Here we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So this matrix is a 2 by 2. And lastly, we have row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. So we have 4 rows, then we have 1 column, so it's a 4 by 1. All right, so let's go ahead and bring down our matrix here that's given, and let's identify the dimensions here. So how many rows are in this matrix? There's one going here and one going here, so we'll call that row 1, the top row, and row 2 is the bottom row. And how many columns are here? There's 1, 2, and 3. So we'll say the first row is column 1, and then column 2, and lastly column 3. So the dimensions of this matrix are a 2 by 3. So there is the dimensions. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.